Okay, so now let's talk about properly connecting the AIO device inside the sleeve. And this is going to go for both the long version and the short version. Long version has some extra steps, so there's videos on that as well. So it's very important to understand what sensors are in here and where they are. That's gonna take you a long way when you're even troubleshooting it on your own or things aren't working. You'll know how to fix it. There are 2 electrodes on this device. Now, if you're looking at it from the front, the top right is actually one of the electrodes. This button on the left side, this clip, is a dummy clip, and that's simply, it's not, it doesn't have low IQ or anything. This is just so it can hold inside the sleeve. And we'll get to that. There are 2 clips inside the sleeve, so this one's just a holder for symmetry. Now, the second electrode is on the back. If we flip it over, that's the second electrode. And this is going to be the one that is pressed on your skin for the first point of contact, and the one on the top here is the second point of contact. Now, the other sensors, which we will discuss in a later video regarding BPM and SpO2, that's the red and infrared sensor, and you will see it there. And again, we'll discuss that one in a later video because this is the placement of the device in the sleeve really weighs heavy on the ECG signal that you're going to get. So why is it important to know where the electrodes are? Because you have to align this front electrode with the wire trace on the sleeve. Okay, that's very important. Now, if you're looking at the sleeve and you just open it inside, you will see the 2 clips on the inside, and you will see on the one side there's a trace. So this trace has to be aligned with the electrode on the front. So that would be this one here on the top right. So the best way to connect the device to the sleeve is just do it one at a time. It's a very stretchy material, so let's go ahead and place the first clip on. So once the first one is on, you're going to want to place the second one on. You may need to stretch the material a little bit, which was exactly what it was designed for. It's not going to be a direct, so sometimes just give it a little stretch and boom, there you have it. And it's now attached to the sleeve. Another really important tip here is try to avoid any kind of excessive stretching. You can stretch a little bit at the end, but we really recommend that you roll the sleeve on instead of tugging it on. So just simply, like a bag, go like this, turn it inside out, and then when you put it on, and then you just roll the sleeve on as so, and give it a few tugs at the end. Try to pull the front side as opposed to the back side first. Okay, so use the momentum from the front side when you pull, and then so that way on the rear side where the electrode is, where the wire trace is, you simply tug a little bit to put it in place. So that was a quick video about the AIO Smart Sleeve and how to get the right placement to make sure your ECG is nice and popping. If you have questions regarding some other things, take a look at our other videos. There's a whole lot of help and information there. Thank you so much.